You're watching Success Stories. Today I'm going to tell you about the story of Virat Kohli, a cricketer. Virat Kohli is an Indian international cricketer who currently captains the India national team. A right-handed batsman often regarded as one of the best batsmen in the world, he was ranked 8th in ESPN's a list of world's famous athletes in 2016. Kohli plays for the Royal Challengers Bangalore in the Indian Premier League (IPL) and has been the team's captain since 2013. He was born in 5th November 1988 in Delhi, India and has two siblings, Bhavna Kohli and Vikas Kohli. His nickname is Chiku and height 5 feet 9 inch and website is www.viratkohli.club. He is a batsman of India. Batting style is right-handed and bowling style is right-arm medium. He played Test debut in 20th June 2011 versus West Indies, ODI debut 18th August 2008 versus Sri Lanka, and T20 debut in 12th June 2010 versus Zimbabwe. He was born and raised in Delhi. Kohli represented the city's cricket team at various age group levels before making his first-class debut in 2006. He captained India under-19s to victory at the 2008 Under-19 World Cup in Malaysia and a few months later made his ODI debut from India against Sri Lanka at the age of 19. Initially he played as a reserve batsman in the Indian team, but he soon established himself as a regular in the ODI middle order and was part of the squad that won the 2011 World Cup. Kohli reached the number 1 spot in the ICC rankings for ODI batsmen for the first time in 2013. In 2014, he became the top-ranked T20 batsman in the ICC ranking and holds the position as of January 2017. International records. Kohli holds numerous Indian batting records including the fastest ODI century, the fastest batsman to 5,000 ODI runs and the fastest to 10 ODI centuries. Virat is the only batsman in the world to average more than 50 across all formats of international cricket. Kohli also holds the records of most runs in a single tournament of both the ICC World 2020 and the IPL. Kohli was appointed vice captain of the ODI team in 2012 and handed over the Test captaincy following Mahendra Singh Dhoni's Test retirement in 2014. Awards. Kohli has been the recipient of many awards such as the ICC ODI Player of the Year in 2012. He won the BCCI's International Cricketer of the Year for the 2011-12 and 2014-15 seasons. In 2013, he was given the Arjuna Award for achievement in international cricket. Other awards are ICC ODI Player of the Year 2012, CEAT International Cricketer of the Year 2011-12 and 2013-14, ICC World ODI 11 2012, 2014 and 2016. Kohli has won the Man of the Tournament twice at the ICC World 2020 in 2014 and 2016. Up till 2017, he is the man of the match in 5 Tests, 22 ODI and 9 T20 and Player of Series in 1 Test, 3 ODI and 3 T20. He also has other business ventures and over 20 brand endorsements. Kohli's brand value in 2016 was estimated to be $92 million US, placing him second on the list of India's most valued celebrity brands. Virat Kohli's IPL career is from 2008 to 2017 and franchise is Royal Challengers Bangalore. In March 2008, Virat Kohli was bought on a youth contract by the Indian Premier League franchise Royal Challengers Bangalore for $30,000. He had an indifferent 2008 season with a total of 165 runs in 12 innings at an average of 15.00 and a strike rate of 105.09. He fared slightly better in the second season in which he made a total of 246 runs at 22.36. In the 2010 season, Kohli was the third highest run getter for his team with 307 runs, with average of 27.90 and improving his strike rate to 144.81. After Victoria's retirement, Kohli was appointed as the team's captain for the 2013 season. The RRCB finished 5th on the league table that year, but Virat Kohli found success with the bat hitting 634 runs including 650s. Kohli found success with the bat in the 2015 IPL in which he led his team to the playoffs. Kohli finished 5th on the season's leading run getters list with 505 runs at an average of 45.90 and a strike rate of more than 130. At the 2016 IPL, the Royal Challengers finished with runners-up and Kohli broke the record for most runs in an IPL season of 733 runs by scoring 973 runs in 16 matches at an average of 81.08, winning the Orange Cap. He scored 4 centuries in the tournament, having never scored one in the 2020 format before the start of the season, and also became the first player to reach the 4,000 run milestone in the IPL. Virat Kohli versus Anushka Sharma. Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma have remained tight-lipped about their relationship. Finally, the cricketer publicly declared his love for the actress by posting a sweet Valentine's Day message. Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma just made their relationship Insta official, while the world may have a clue or two about the lovebirds' hush-hush relationship. This might just be the very first time that Virat has taken to his social networking handle to profess his love and admiration for his lady love. Anushka and Virat have been spotted together in several occasions, with the cricketer attending movie events and the actress going to the stadiums to cheer him during the matches. The couple has constantly been under public gaze and media scrutiny since their reunion early this year, speaking at length about her relationship. Virat denied about the rumors in a tweet, saying, "We aren't getting engaged, and if we were going to, we wouldn't hide it." Virat's father Prem Kohli worked as a criminal lawyer. Virat's mother Saroj Kohli is a housewife. Kohli with his mother at India-Pakistan border. Vikas Kohli, Virat's elder brother. Virat's brother Vikas along with his wife in a match supporting RCB. Virat Kohli along with his friends a few years back to his life. Kohli's house in Uttam Nagar. Currently, Virat lives in Paschim Bihar's Mirabagh, one of the posh areas of West Delhi, along with his elder brother and mother in a 3 BHK home. Apparently, Kohli's neighbors are quite upset after he has announced the shift to his new house. This star cricketer has reportedly bought a posh bungalow in Gurgaon's Panshabi Bagh area. The new bungalow of Virat is set to occupy land area of 500 yards. Its estimated price expected to lie between Indian 76 crore rupees and Indian 80 crore rupees. Virat's cars. Virat Kohli becomes latest owner of Audi R8 LMX priced at Rs 2.97 crore. Audi R8 V10 LMX, the recent purchase in 2015 and most expensive car as of now Virat owns. He in fact sold off his old Audi R8. Virat Kohli bought an apartment of Sky Bungalow Sea Tower in Mumbai. Virat Kohli in Kapil Sharma Show. Virat Foundation. In March 2013, Kohli started a charity foundation called Virat Kohli Foundation VKF. The organization aims at helping underprivileged kids and conducts events to raise funds for the charity. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos.